In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to make money online in 2023. As we all know, things are changing every single day, and the old style of working a 9 to 5, going to a job every single day, maybe working in a cubicle, or maybe doing the same task every single day is getting played out of style. But if you're watching this video, you're probably already on the track of thinking that, you don't want to work this 9 to 5 forever. You don't want to work it tomorrow. Don't worry, guys, you're not alone. I used to think the same exact way. When I used to work a 9 to 5, I absolutely hated it. I couldn't see myself working there for not even another 6 months, so I finally decided to take steps into my own hands and go self-employed. I figured out how to make money online, and I will be showing you guys the 3 best ways of 2023 to make money completely online. And if you watch the video all the way through, I will be showing you guys some investor mistakes that I made myself, how I lost some money, so that you guys won't be losing the same amount of money that I did. Because this is Black Investors Group, where we do make investing easy, guys, and over here we post daily, and it's my job to show you how to make the money the easiest way with losing the less money as possible. Let's hop straight into this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So the first method that I want to go over with you guys today is going to be eBay. Now, don't sleep on it, but eBay is an absolute easy way to make money, guys. All you would simply do is go to the eBay website, find the product that you want to sell, see what prices they're compared at on eBay, and then you would finally go and find a cheaper vendor such as Walmart, Alibaba. You would buy the product from Walmart or Alibaba and then repost it back on eBay for a more expensive price. So simply, guys, you will have your eBay account. You will set up your eBay account. You will put in all your information and you will get your eBay account up and running. You want to post breakfast, lunch, and dinner, guys. You want to post 3 times daily, post different products, make your account seem like it's already validated even though it is new, because customers want to see that you've been in business for a while, or even if you haven't been in business for a while, they want to see that you're fulfilling orders and you're having a lot of merchandise getting sold. So once you found the niche that you want to sell in, guys, the products that you want to sell, like I said, man, you would go to Walmart, find this item for cheap. So right here we have a patio set, a lawn patio set. As you can see, it's for a cheaper price than what it's selling on eBay for. With this method, you can easily make $100 a day, and you can scale this business to even make $1,000 a day by just selling products on eBay. No physical work required with this side hustle. All you would have to do is just be on your computer, press a couple of buttons a day, and just repost things on eBay. On to the second side hustle. The second way to make money online, guys, is gonna be the most popular way in today's new generation, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has the power of generating thousands of sales with you doing no work at all. If you wanted to pursue affiliate marketing, all you would have to do is copy and paste the link and put it on a website or put advertisement on that link. I've helped over hundreds of customers to create an affiliate marketing online business, and if you want to create your affiliate marketing online business, take this to the next level, make $1,000 a day with these simple methods, go ahead and schedule a coaching call and the Calendly link in the description. Over on that Calendly, guys, you can schedule a coaching call with me for 10 to 30 minutes for only $10. You can learn how to start your online business. And if you don't know, I'm in the trucking industry. You can learn how to start your trucking business, your dispatching business, and even how to boost your credit the fast way. And we also have the YouTube memberships up for a very cheap price, where you can get exclusive investing tips, no ads, no promo, no fluff. And don't forget to check out the Lotta ebook store, where you can purchase cheap ebooks. Back to the video. Woo! Affiliate marketing is definitely one of my best ways to make money online. Like I said, guys, some of these products can pay up to $100 per sale. To get started with affiliate marketing, all you would simply do is go over to ClickBank, sign up for ClickBank, create your online account. Then you would simply go to affiliate marketplace in the corner tab that you see here. Once you're at affiliate marketplace, then all you would do is find your niche, find your products, guys. And for the best products to sell with affiliate marketing is things that's gonna help people, things that's gonna make people's lives better. So by saying things that's gonna make people's lives better, what's the best way that people's lives can get better? Maybe if they improve their health. So how can you help people? Just improve their health, guys. So health products is the best affiliate marketing strategy to go with. health products and beauty products, guys. You want to get rid of people's insecurities and you want to build people's overall emotion. You would simply go to the affiliate marketplace, find what you want to sell, and then you would simply just go to hop link, guys. Create this hop link, copy and paste this link, and then if you want to get fancy with this, you want to run ads on your affiliate marketing links, you would simply create a Google Ads account, make a post on YouTube about whatever product that you're selling. And to do this, this is where it gets technical. It's like we don't get technical around here because, like I said, this is Black Investors Group. We make the money the easy way. But to get this on a Google Ads account, all you would simply do, like I said, create your Google Ads account. But to start making content for YouTube and promoting this link, guys, all you will simply do is use AI. AI is a fast growing software right now, and guys, it'll help your business out 100%. It'll help your business double and 100% faster. So by using AI, I mean that, guys, you will get a script. You will go to ChatGPT, you will go to OpenAI, and you will write a script for whatever product that you're trying to advertise. Once you have this script, then you would take it to Lovo, guys, Lovo.ai, and over on Lovo, they will make you a voiceover. They will make you the best voiceover, and you have many voices to choose from for your YouTube video. And then after you have your script and you've put it in Lovo, guys, now you have your voiceover. Now you would simply create the video, and you have to do no work at all, guys. You would use another AI site, and this AI site is called nvideo.io. nvideo.io, it'll take the script, guys, it'll take the voices that they hear, the voiceover that you give them into the feed, and it'll convert that into video pictures that'll go exactly with whatever it's saying. So now you have a fully animated video on how to, so now you have a fully animated video on an ad, guys, for advertisement that you can post on YouTube, and you don't have to show your face at all. And this method all depends on how much you're willing to spend in ads, on how successful you're going to be. So if you're spending $20 a day on ads, but you have a product and it gets you one sale for $100, guys, and you sell one product a day, you're profiting $80 a day. And let's just think, guys, once you boost this, once you scale this, guys, you can be spending $100 a day to profit, $400 a day. And for my third and final method on how to make money in 2023 online is going to be, as you can see right here, man, be a content creator. Guys, you can start making content on YouTube and you don't even have to show your face. You can simply use the process that I showed you on the last step on using AI to make faceless YouTube videos. The best niches to go in is the financial niche, guys, the education niche, the cooking niche, the health niche, and even the technology niche. So if you could get AI to make you any video on these niches, you can make a good CPM. And if you don't know the CPM, guys, you have a CPM and an RPM, and this is what YouTube pays you. So let's just say you make $40 per 1,000 views. You're only gonna get paid $20 for that 1,000 views, guys. Because YouTube takes 50%, it is how it is. I think it's a great partnership because it's a lot of opportunity that comes along with YouTube. And by saying this, guys, you can also put your affiliate links in your description and your YouTube videos. And being an online influencer or being a content creator, you can now promote other products such as your own, digital ebooks. Don't forget to check out the Lotta ebook store in the link in the description. And as a content creator, you have a fan base. So now more people, other small businesses are gonna wanna come to you so you can promote their services. So now you can charge promo fees. You can charge, $50 a video, even up to $500 a video, just depending on how many views your channel gets, just for a single advertisement. YouTube doesn't even have to be hard, guys. If you do want to show your face, the best way to go is to record something that you already do on a daily basis. YouTube Shorts is also a good way to make money online nowadays. And if you already have like an interesting job, if you're a truck driver for Amazon, or if you're a nail technician, all you would simply want to do is just post your day-to-day, post the interesting things that happens in your day, record your life, guys, and you can start monetizing every move you make in life. But that is it for today's video on the 3 ways how to make money in 2023 completely online, guys. And if you do want to learn more passive ways to make income, I do have multiple videos on my channel on how to make money the easy way passively, how to build your credit, and even how to start a 6-figure trucking business. Don't forget to schedule a coaching call with me for only $10 for 10 to 30 minutes of conversation, and I will consult you to start your business the fastest way and the easiest way possible. If you found this video helpful, hit the big like up button. We're on our way to 100K, so don't forget to subscribe, man. Join the family. You don't want to miss out on how to make this money the easy way. But this is Black Investors Group. My name is KINGLATTA. I'll see you tomorrow. We out.